2 years ago, when I visited Poland, I enjoyed kopytka very much, a traditional Polish potato dumpling dish. For this recipe we'll need 400 grams sliced champignon mushrooms, 400 grams boiled red potatoes, 40 milliliters oil, 60 grams butter, 125 grams flour, fresh parsley, 80 grams diced shallot, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 thyme and 1 rosemary twig, and 150 grams diced bacon. We will begin this recipe by mashing the boiled potatoes or using a meat grinder to grind them. Then we will add the egg and mix well. Now we will add 1 teaspoon salt and all of the flour, mixing everything with a fork or a spatula until we have a slightly sticky dough. The next step is to knead the dough by hand until it's not sticky anymore. In case we feel it's still sticky, we will add small amounts of flour and knead until the dough ball has a slightly rubbery and firm texture. I will now take a large wooden chopping board and sprinkle a thin layer of flour over. Now shape the dough and roll it with your hands until you have a long sausage that's about 2 centimeters wide. When done, gently tap the dough with a large knife to flatten the surface, and then use a sharp knife to cut the dough into pieces, making diagonal cuts with the thickness of about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Our dumplings are done, so we will add them in small numbers in a pot with boiling water mixed with a teaspoon salt and let them cook. The dumplings are done 1 minute after they will rise above the surface. When done, take them out and dive them into cold water, then set them aside. Take a large pan and put it on medium heat, adding butter and oil. Put the dumplings in the pan and fry them on both sides until they have a golden crust. After the dumplings are ready, take them out of the pan, leaving the excess oil in it for the next step. Begin by adding the diced shallot, bacon, and minced garlic into the pan. Then fry them until the shallot is soft and translucent. To bring more flavor to the table, add a thyme and a rosemary twig, then the large mushroom slices and a teaspoon salt, cooking everything for 10 minutes until the mushrooms drop in size. When done, remove the thyme and rosemary twigs and add the potato dumplings over the mushrooms, giving them a quick stir. Fry them together for 1 minute, then add the fresh chopped parsley and enjoy. These Polish potato dumplings are super easy and perfect as a side dish or as dinner. Next time you have leftover mashed potatoes, save them and make these wonderful dumplings.